Imagine spending hours on a simple Excel task, only to realize you could have done it in seconds with just one trick. What if I told you that mastering a few hidden Excel hacks could save you countless hours of work? Stay tuned because these time-saving secrets will change the way you use Excel forever. Excel isn't just a spreadsheet program, it's a powerful tool that, when used correctly, can save you hours of work and skyrocket your productivity. Yet, most beginners barely scratch the surface of its true potential. They waste time manually entering data, formatting cells one by one, or struggling with complex formulas when faster, smarter solutions exist. What if I told you that just a few simple tricks could transform the way you use Excel? Imagine automating repetitive tasks, instantly cleaning up messy data, and mastering formulas that do the heavy lifting for you. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to improve efficiency, these Excel hacks will change the game for you. But here's the catch. These time-saving tricks aren't always obvious. Many users go years without discovering them, trapped in the cycle of slow, inefficient methods. Today, we're unlocking the secrets that experts use to breeze through their work in minutes. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit of powerful Excel shortcuts and techniques that will make your workflow smoother than ever. Ready to take your Excel skills to the next level? Let's dive in. Picture this. You're sitting at your desk, staring at an overwhelming spreadsheet filled with numbers, text, and scattered data. Your manager just asked you to clean up the data, remove duplicates, and generate a report, all within the next hour. You start manually deleting rows, copying and pasting values, and struggling with formulas you barely understand. The clock is ticking, and frustration builds up as you realize this task could take way longer than expected. This scenario is all too familiar for Excel beginners. At first glance, Excel seems simple, a grid of rows and columns where you can input data and perform calculations. But beneath its surface lies a powerful system designed to automate, analyze, and simplify complex tasks. The problem? Most people never get past the basics. They rely on slow, outdated methods without realizing that a few key shortcuts, formulas, and automation tricks could turn hours of work into mere minutes. Take, for example, the dreaded process of sorting and filtering large data sets. Many users scroll endlessly, looking for specific values, highlighting them manually. But what if you knew how to apply autofilter in seconds? Or let's talk about calculations. Countless users manually sum up numbers, not knowing that functions like sgmifs and vlookup could do it instantly. Think about the frustration of formatting, adjusting column widths, aligning text, and ensuring a clean look. It's tedious, right? But what if a single click could do all of that for you? The truth is, Excel has a built-in world of shortcuts and tools that can make your life easier, but they remain hidden unless you know where to look. Now, imagine a different scenario. Instead of struggling, you open Excel, press a few keys, and watch as your data organizes itself. Calculations update automatically, and reports generate in seconds. You confidently submit your work ahead of the deadline while your colleagues wonder how you did it so fast. This is the power of mastering Excel's hidden tricks, and today we're going to unveil them one by one, so you never have to waste another minute on unnecessary manual work. Get ready, because what you're about to learn will transform the way you use Excel forever. Now that you know how powerful Excel can be, let's dive into the hidden tricks that will save you hours of work. But before we reveal them, let's play a quick game. How many of these situations sound familiar to you? Have you ever spent time manually dragging formulas down thousands of rows, not realizing there's a shortcut that does it instantly, or struggled to find duplicate values in a massive dataset, painstakingly highlighting each one by hand? Maybe you've even found yourself typing the same information over and over again, unaware that Excel can autofill it for you with just a simple trick. Here's the truth. Excel was designed to make your life easier, but most users never unlock its full potential. There are built-in features, hidden in plain sight, that can automate tedious tasks, spot trends in data instantly, and even predict what you need before you've asked for it. But here's the kicker. Many of these features aren't well known, and some are so cleverly hidden that even experienced users miss them. For example, did you know Excel has a flash fill feature that can automatically detect patterns in your data and complete the rest for you? Let's say you have a list of full names, but you need to separate them into first and last names. Most people would manually copy and paste or use complicated formulas, but with flash fill, Excel recognizes the pattern and does it for you in seconds. And what about pivotables? They sound intimidating, but once you master them, you can analyze massive amounts of data with just a few clicks. Instead of spending hours sorting and calculating, you can generate interactive reports that update automatically. It's like having a personal data assistant working for you behind the scenes. But wait, here's something even more exciting. Excel's hidden shortcuts. Most people rely on the mouse, clicking through menus and wasting valuable time. But what if you could navigate Excel like a pro using just your keyboard? There are shortcuts that let you instantly select large data sets, switch between sheets, and even remove duplicates without touching the mouse. And here's a real game changer: Power Query. Think of it as Excel's secret weapon for handling messy data. Instead of manually cleaning up errors, rearranging columns, and reformatting files, Power Query automates the entire process with just a few steps. Once you set it up, it remembers your actions and applies them instantly to new data, saving you hours of repetitive work. The deeper we go, the more you'll realize that Excel is more than just a spreadsheet tool. It's a time-saving powerhouse. But we're just getting started. In the next section, we'll reveal the biggest Excel hacks that will completely change how you work, making you faster, more efficient, and most importantly, stress-free. Get ready, because the best tricks are coming up next. Now, here's where everything comes together. You've seen glimpses of Excel's hidden power, but now it's time to unleash the ultimate hacks that will make you feel like a spreadsheet wizard. Imagine this: you're working on a massive data report. Hundreds of rows, endless numbers, and crucial details buried under layers of clutter. Your boss needs insights, fast. The old you would have spent hours manually filtering, copying, and calculating, but not anymore. Hack number 1. The magic of indexed and many TCH. Forget VLOOKUP's annoying limitations. NDX and MATCH is the dynamic duo that lets you find anything in your data, no matter where it is. Unlike VLOOKUP, which only works when your target column is to the right, NDX and MATCH can search any direction. With a simple formula, Excel instantly fetches the exact value you need, no matter where it's hidden. Hack number 2. Automate everything with macros. This is where Excel becomes your personal assistant. Imagine pressing a single button and watching as Excel performs multiple tasks: cleaning data, applying formulas, formatting reports, without you lifting a finger. That's the magic of macros. By recording your actions, Excel can repeat them in seconds, eliminating hours of tedious work. Hack number 3. Power Pivot, the secret weapon for data analysis. You've heard of pivotables, but have you met Power Pivot? This feature takes data analysis to the next level, handling millions of rows without slowing down your computer. It lets you create advanced calculations, build relationships between datasets, and generate dynamic reports, all with just a few clicks. Hack number 4. The ultimate keyboard shortcuts. Ever wonder how Excel experts move so fast? They don't use the mouse. Instead, they use shortcuts like *CTRL plus Shift plus L to apply filters instantly, *ALT plus equals to auto-sum an entire column, *CTRL plus T to turn any data range into a table, *F4 to repeat the last action without clicking anything. These shortcuts don't just save seconds, they save hours over time. Hack number 5. Power Query, the game changer for cleaning data. Messy data? No problem. Power Query can transform ugly, unstructured spreadsheets into clean, organized datasets in just a few clicks. Instead of wasting hours manually fixing errors, Power Query does it all for you, automatically. Once set up, it works like magic every time you import new data. Now, imagine applying these hacks in real life. Instead of struggling, you complete tasks in record time. Your reports are flawless, your workflows are smooth, and your boss is amazed by your efficiency. This is the moment where Excel stops being a challenge and starts being your greatest asset. You're no longer just a beginner. You're mastering the tool that runs the business world. But before we wrap up, there's one final step: tying everything together so you can start using these tricks right away. Let's head to the final section and bring it all home. You've now unlocked some of Excel's most powerful secrets, hacks that will save you hours, boost your productivity, and transform the way you work. No more wasting time on repetitive tasks or struggling with complex formulas. With these tricks, you can navigate Excel like a pro, automate processes, and impress colleagues with your efficiency. But this is just the beginning. The more you explore, the more Excel will work for you, not against you. So, which trick will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If these Excel hacks blew your mind, imagine what else you can master. Hit like if you found this helpful, subscribe for more game-changing productivity tips, and comment your favorite trick. Share this with friends who need to level up their Excel skills. Let's save time together.